I am Dr. W.P. Gunade from Kamlanidhu Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the metal carbonyl clusters. Already we have seen the method of preparation of metal carbonyl and the important chemical reactions of metal carbonyl. And metal carbonyl clusters are those compounds which contain metal-metal bonds and which contain the it is also known as the polynuclear metal carbonyls, and in which there is a metal-metal bonds, and depending upon the number of metal atom present, they are being classified into different types, that is clusters, and binuclear, trinuclear, pentanuclear, tetranuclear are the different types of metal carbonyl. So what are the different types of metal carbonyl we are discussing in today's part. So the topic is metal carbonyl, and in this part we are discussing the metal carbonyl clusters, in which binuclear metal carbonyl cluster, trinuclear, tetranuclear, pentanuclear, hexanuclear metal carbonyl and their examples. So as we know what is metal carbonyl and what is metal carbonyl cluster, so we can say that metal carbonyl clusters are the compound which are polynuclear metal carbonyl. Poly means which contain two or more than two metal atoms. So these compounds or these carbonyl cluster have metal-metal bonds, and metal carbonyl clusters are classified into different types depending upon the number of metal atom present in the metal carbonyl. So here on the basis of number of metal atom present, these metal carbonyl clusters are classified into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is binuclear, trinuclear, tetranuclear, pentanuclear and hexanuclear metal carbonyl. So what is the binuclear? Examples are given here. Binuclear means it contains two metal atoms, and here the examples are shown: Mn2CO10, technetium-2CO10, Re2CO10, Fe2CO9, Ru2CO9, Ru2CO9, OS2CO9, CO2CO8. So which contain two metal atoms. And in case of trinuclear, these are the triatomic metal carbonyl cluster, and which contain the three metal atoms. Examples are given: Fe3CO12, Ru3CO12, OS3CO12. And third is a tetranuclear metal carbonyl, also known as tetraatomic metal carbonyl cluster. Examples are given here: CO4CO12, rubidium, Rb4CO12, erbium4CO12, which contain four carbon here four metal atoms. And next is the pentanuclear. The example is Fe5CO15, 5 metals are present. And the last is the hexanuclear metal carbonyl, in which 6 metals are present. And here are the example: RH4, RH6CO16. So these are the metal carbonyl clusters, can be classified on the basis of number of metal atom present in the structure of the metal carbonyl. So what is the binuclear metal carbonyl cluster? Binuclear metal carbonyl clusters contain two metal atoms joined with one metal-metal bond, and in case of this, there may these metal carbonyl may or may not have bridging carbonyl. And important binuclear carbonyl clusters examples are given here. So binuclear contains two metal atoms, and also there is a one metal-metal bond. Because of the two metals are present, so only one metal-metal bond is there. And examples are shown here of the binuclear. So Mn2CO10, Tc2CO10, Re2CO10, and these are the three examples in which here the structure is shown. All the three compounds have similar or identical structure, and here Mn2CO10 have the structure. This is the metal-metal bond, that is Mn-Mn metal bond. This is metal-metal bond shown here between these two metals. Each metal have these 5 terminal carbonyl. This metal also have 5 terminal carbonyl. So in this way, the formula is Mn2CO10. This is Mn2CO10. This is the structure, and in this Mn2CO10, all the carbonyl groups are terminal. No bridging carbonyl is there. All the carbonyl are terminal carbonyls. And another examples, and these two compounds also have similar structure like Mn2CO10. Another example is given here of binuclear Fe2CO9, and similar structure having these two compounds Ru2CO9, OS2CO9. So Fe2CO9 have the structure. See here, the structure is given 2Fe. There is a one metal bond. CO, CO, CO. These are the three bridging carbonyl and three terminal carbonyl present on each metal. Three terminal carbonyl present on another iron metal. So Fe2CO9 is a metal carbonyl cluster, and this is the structure. Two metals are there and 9 carbonyls are there, out of which 3 are the bridging carbonyl and 6 are the terminal carbonyl. And in case of Re2CO9, the structure is shown. Ruthenium metal bond is there, 1 CO bridging carbonyl is there, and 4 are here and 4. Total 8 terminal carbonyls are there. So 4 terminal carbonyl are present on each ruthenium metal, and 1 bridging carbonyl is there between the two ruthenium metal. So these are the examples of binuclear metal carbonyl cluster. Another example of binuclear metal carbonyl cluster is CO2CO8, and this compound exists as an isomer in the solution. So this is the first structure in which all CO carbonyl groups are terminal. So each CO2CO8, to CO, there is a metal bond, and 4 terminal carbonyl present on each cobalt metal. So another cobalt also have 4 terminal carbonyl. Both the carbonyl have 4 CO terminal, and 1 there is a metal bond. And in this first structure shown, all carbonyls are terminal carbonyl. In case of second, it show the isomeric form, and in case of isomeric form, this is the isomer, and here there is no between the two metal here is a metal bond between the two cobalt. There is a 1 and 2 bridging carbonyl. So compound is same, CO2CO8, but the two isomers are there, and each metal have 3 carbonyl group. Here also 3 carbonyl on each cobalt. So 3 and 3 6, and these 2 bridging, total 8 carbonyl are there. So in this way, 2 bridging and 6 terminal carbonyl are present in the second structure. So these CO2CO8 exist as a isomeric in nature in the solution. So once first structure shows all terminal carbonyl, second shows terminal as well as the bridging carbonyl. So these are the examples of binuclear metal carbonyl cluster. Another example is now trinuclear, tri means 3, trinuclear metal carbonyl cluster, and this metal carbonyl consists of 3 metal atoms. Trinuclear means 3 metal atoms are present, and they are bonded with 3 metal bonds. So there are 3 metal bonds in a triangular planar arrangement. The structure is shown here. This is the example of Fe3CO12. 3 irons are there. So this 3 iron arrangement is there, 1, 2, 3. They arrange in a triangular planar arrangement, and these 3 terminal carbonyl on this Fe, 1, 2, 3, 4 terminal carbonyl. Here also 3 terminal carbonyl, and 2 bridging carbonyls are there. So in this case, 2 bridging carbonyl and 10 terminal carbonyls are there. So this is the structure of metal carbonyl cluster and Fe3CO12. The structure is shown, which contain both terminal and the bridging carbonyl. Similar type of structures are here, identical structure. These 2 compounds also show identical structure like that, and Ru3CO12, OH3CO12. So in this case, the structure is shown. Each ruthenium ion have, this is the ruthenium trigonal planar arrangement, and there are 3 metal bond. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and each ruthenium have 4 terminal carbonyl. So Ru3CO12 have this type of structure, but in this case all the carbonyls are terminal carbonyl. So only the trigonal arrangement is there, trigonal planar arrangement is there of the metal, and similar to iron in this compound, and there are 12 terminal carbonyls, and we can say that all terminal carbonyls are there. And in the similar way, Ru3CO12 in structure of OH3CO12 also have similar structure in which all the carbonyls are terminal carbonyl. And next is a tetranuclear metal carbonyl cluster. As we know, tetra means 4, and therefore it contains 4 metal atoms, and there are total 6 metal bonds. There are total 6 because of the 4 metal atoms are present, therefore they contains 6 metal bonds, and 4 metals are present in a tetrahedral in arrangement. And in this case, they may or may not have bridging carbonyl. One example is shown, erbium 4, CO12. So erbium 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 metals are arranged in a tetrahedrally arrangement, and each erbium have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and total 12 carbonyls are there, and all are the terminal carbonyls. So in this case, all carbonyls are terminal, and the arrangement of the metals are tetrahedral arrangement. So this is the structure of tetranuclear metal carbonyl cluster. An example is IR4CO12, in which 4 metals are arranged tetrahedrally, and each metal have 3 terminal carbonyl total, and we can say that all the carbonyls are terminal carbonyls. This is another example of tetranuclear metal carbonyl cluster, in which the example is CO4CO12. So in case of CO4CO4 CO12, CO cobalt 1, 2, 3, 4 again arranged tetrahedrally, but in this case there are bridging carbonyl. Here are the 2, 1, 2, 3, here also 3, here is a 2, and here also 2, but 1, 2, 3 are the bridging carbonyl. So in this case, 4 metal, 4 cobalt arranged having the tetrahedral arrangement, and in this case there are 3 bridging carbonyl and 9 terminal carbonyls. So this is the structure of CO4CO12 tetranuclear metal carbonyl cluster. So 4 cobalt arranged tetrahedrally, and 3 are the bridging carbonyl shown here, 1, 2, 3 bridging, and remaining 9 are the terminal carbonyl. So in this structure, here this is the example of tetranuclear metal carbonyl cluster. Now next is the pentanuclear metal carbonyl cluster, and these pentanuclear metal carbonyl contain 5 metal atoms, and these 5 metal atoms are either arranged square pyramidal or in trigonal bipyramidal. With 8 and 9 metal-metal bonds are present. In case of arrangement is square pyramidal, then 8 metal-metal bonds, or if trigonal bipyramidal, then there are 9 metal-metal bonds. So examples are given: Fe5CO12, Fe515. So this is the example. 5 metals are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is square pyramidal. These 4 are forming the square, and this is the pyramidal, square pyramidal. Here are the 3 terminal, here 3 terminal, 3 terminal, 3 terminal, 3 terminal. So in this way, the structure is Fe5CO15. The structure of Fe5CO15 have the square pyramidal structure, which is shown here as a pentanuclear metal carbonyl. So in this case, example is shown, and in this case all the carbonyls are terminal, and 5 Fe metals are arranged in square pyramidal manner. So metal-metal bonds are 8. So when the square pyramidal, then the metal-metal bonds are 8. So shown here, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 metal-metal bonds are there in this pentanuclear, and in Fe5CO15. And another example of pentanuclear metal carbonyl is Ni5CO12, 2 minus. So nickel are 5 and CO12. So this is the arrangement of nickel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they arrange in this way, and in this case, this is the arrangement which is known as trigonal bipyramidal arrangement. So these are the 3 trigonal, and this is the pyramidal, 2 are pyramid, like that. So this is the arrangement known as trigonal bipyramidal. So trigonal bipyramidal arrangement in which 3 bridging CO are there and 9 terminal. So total 12 carbonyls are here. So this is the trigonal bipyramidal. So bridgings are 1, 2, 3. 3 are the bridging carbonyl, and remaining are the terminal carbonyl. So this is the example of pentanuclear metal carbonyl cluster, Ni5CO12. So both are there. In this case, there are 9 metal-metal bonds are there. So this is the structure example of pentanuclear, in which there are 9 metal-metal bonds are there. And another example is there, that is hexanuclear metal carbonyl cluster, and this contains 6 metal atoms, and in this case 6 metal atoms are arranged in octahedral manner. Example is ReH6CO16, ReH6CO16. In this case, 6 rhodium arranged in octahedral manner, and total 12 metal-metal bonds are present, and in which 4 triply bridged carbonyls are there, and 12 terminal carbonyls are there. So 12 terminal carbonyls are shown here. These are the terminal carbonyls. Terminal carbonyls are there, and bridging carbonyls are also shown, which are also known as triply bridged carbonyls. So this is the triply bridged carbonyl. See here, triply bridged means 3 metals arranged. This is bridge CO, 1, 2, 3 metals and triply bridged. In this case, this is triply bridged. So this is also triply bridged, shown here 1, 2, 3. This is also triply bridged, 1, 2, 3. So there are, in this case, 6 rhodium arranged in octahedral manner, and total 12 metal bonds are present, and out of which 4 are the triply bridged carbonyl and remaining 12 are the terminal carbonyl. So triply bridged carbonyls are, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4, and remaining are the terminal carbonyl. So this is the hexanuclear metal carbonyl. Structure of example is ReH6CO16. So 4 are the triply bridged and the remaining 12 carbonyls are the terminal, and 6 metal, see 6 metal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they arrange in octahedral manner. So these are the examples of the metal carbonyl clusters. So in today's part we have discussed different arrangement and different structures of the metal carbonyl clusters. So these are metal carbonyl clusters are classified into different types depending upon the number of metal atoms present. If 2 metal atoms are present, binuclear; if 3, then trinuclear, tetranuclear, pentanuclear, hexanuclear. We have also seen the structure and their examples of metal carbonyl cluster.